I'd like to welcome you all to the very first episode of Hanging with Bullfrog and Son.
This is an introduction to the channel about what we'll be going over.
And we're your hosts. I'm Jeremiah, and this is my son, James. Basically, we're wanting to include you guys in our father and son adventures. We'll be doing some canoeing, some hiking, some camping.
We'll also be going over cooking, basic survival tips, and what to do in emergency situations.
We'll also touch base on some gear reviews, tents, hammock camping.
We'll also be touching in a little bit more on first aid, water purification, and makeshift shelters.
And we'll also be touching base on bug out scenarios. And we really encourage audience participation. This is a learning experience for us and as well as you guys. Basically, it's hard to say what the episode's going to entail.
Now back to the audience participation. When we reach certain milestones, such as 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 subscribers, we'll be raffling off different pieces of gear or gift cards. For the first raffle, we're going to give away this knife.
We might also include a camping tarp, another piece of gear. But so if you made it this far in the video, you're probably either our moms, hi mom, or you might actually like what you see and stick around for a few episodes. Appreciate your views,
and the support,
likes, and comments.
and we'll catch you on the next one.